Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a wing. I saw AB Creative do one. Let me pop it up on the screen so you can see. So I'm starting with my background and I'm using some leftover paints. So let's first do some blue, dark blue. So I've got one color down. Let's add a couple more just to make it a little bit more playful. Some blue. I think the purple is Permanent Vital Blue by Amsterdam, and this blue is, let me think, I think it's Primary Blue by Amsterdam. Let's spread it out. I've got my base mixed and I want to hurry up because it's nice and wet now. So I'm going to put some white on my table. This is just titanium white. And let's put a couple of drops of this blue in. I think that should be enough. So I've got two different sizes. I've got one big one and a couple of medium ones. So let's try the medium one. And I've got my water set up. So let's put some paint on here. And let's start here. Maybe put my water on the other side. Okay. It's looking pretty good. Maybe a little less paint. Down, back. Maybe less pink, but let's try some more. I think I need to also leave the ends outside of the canvas. So let's try that. So outside. Around pull. So my camera just stopped recording, but let's just continue. So my chains have been washed. Let's put down a little bit fresh paint. Some white. A little bit of the blue. Let's see. Just going to go from a little bit lower. Oh, I've got too much paint on here. So let's see if I can do that again. If that works, I'm just going to place a clean-ish chain on the edge. Try and pull some of the paint I put on away. Like so. Actually looks pretty good. So I might just spread out this a little bit flatter so the chain won't pick up as much of the paint. So the reason you put them in the water is so the paint doesn't dry, because if it dries it will be almost impossible to get out in between of the little balls. So if you pull it from both sides, you create the feather that looks more like it's from the top view instead of the side view. I think I need some more, some smaller ones. And I might want to add a little bit of a different color. I've got some silver. Oh. Paint here. Not too much. So I want to try a different technique on top with a little bit more contrast. Line. And then pull it like so. So a little bit. Because there's more than enough paint on here, you don't need any more paint to pull. Just to see if I can get a little bit more cleaner lines. So unfortunately I ended up dropping my chain and yeah, potentially ruined my piece. So I'm going to try and fix it and I'll show you the dry result. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone!